That's it, guys. It's the end. We've done our final baking here and filled up the shop with as much as possible with bread, cakes, whatever we had left, and made up things with ingredients we had left. Okay, for the big finale. Pear and almond thin tart with chocolate, big brownies, focaccia, nice country loaves, roasted vegetable tartines on focaccia. Last day, but now it's time to tidy up all the material and equipment. I mean, I want to keep this. It's a broken handle of a cup, but that cup, I like that cup. And you know, I'm so nostalgic to certain items that if I could keep everything, I would. But it takes so much space. I mean, by that I will have a use of it, I'm sure. I mean, it's very hard to have lots of decoration everywhere. Let me show you. So, I want to keep this one, this little guy. That chairs made with champagne cork. Got so much souvenir. Those are my 2 friends from UK, which worked for me at some point, and we were young and crazy. I don't want to give to throw away that picture, like those mugs, but this one is a bit naughty. But who cares? Yeah, I got lots to clear up. I will keep that gas bottle, I think, if I want to do crème brûlée at home. Most of the big equipment will stay here and it will be sold by the liquidator, which is quite handy because it will take ages for us. Those people are organized and it's their job to do so. That's it. What about that sign? I love that sign, but it's huge. I definitely take my queen. Santa, a friend of us wants it. She's running a village shop, and I think she will display it every Christmas. So you still have a life. My Bob Marley poster, definitely I'm gonna take it down. But all of that, it's so much souvenirs. Well, it's 15 years of life. It's like a big attic. Okay, so I'm going downtown in a minute to do the final touch inside the shop, and then we will be ready to lock the door. Alright, but yeah, I've done a few jobs here today, but I'm gonna come back tomorrow. And now we are going to the shop, right? Yeah. I will reopen that door tomorrow. Okay. Up. All right, Nolan. Bruno. Hello.
Hello.
Let's go down the shop, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, sorry, face. All right, let's go. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
We're nearly there.
So, what do you think, Nono, about closing Saveurs?
Sad.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay,
There we are. Dartmouth.
here we are.
Dartmouth and its tiny roads. Now we are arriving in Victoria Road.
My favourite spot. And Saveurs. Saveurs is just around the corner. There's Rosa. Here we are. Saveurs.
Let's close the shop, yeah?
Yeah.
Hello, have we sold everything?
Yes, actually, look, we have 1 religion left.
Oh
Red is gone.
my god, everything. What is this, a tart?
Oh, is there some more? Yeah. There's one more part.
No more bread.
Okay.
Oh, we've sold a few cups as well?
Yeah, loads.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Yeah.
That's cool.
Today.
So, what's your feeling, Nicole?
I don't know.
So weird. After 9 years. 9 years with us, Nicole.
That's amazing.
That's good. So we won't have to come back here, to be fair.
Yeah, talk tonight. We
Yeah.
don't need to come back.
No.
Hello, how are you? Okay, ready?
Oh my god, what are you taking?
All the biscuits and all the lollies.
Nice. Okay, but we'll be back anyway to pick up the pictures
Yeah.
tomorrow or Monday, yeah? I like the Eiffel Tower.
Yeah.
Oh, and the little cicada there. And the clock. Okay, see you. Bye. Well, okay, it's amazing the love that Dartmouth give us. Again, I've just seen an old customer and a person that we know since we arrived in Dartmouth. Well, it was in 2005 when I came here to work in a restaurant, and this lady was living next door to me. And I just told her, she didn't know because obviously she doesn't do the social media, all that stuff, and she was shocked and even cried, and it's really heartbreaking, really. There's so much love.